cook. Wrote some hell of a song. Got old Bo Cephas to help sing along. Yeah.
Good to see you guys. Hang on just a second. Guys, we're putting cross members in to stouten this up, just zigzag them up through there. The 20 volt DeWalt to cut these 2x8s treated. They're wet, they're hard, it's tough cutting, but it's cutting right through it. Really liking the stand that I ordered for the table saw. Thought we'd just shoot you a good video. A lot of DeWalt stuff out here on the job. So let's get back to it. Make sure I cut the line out.
Alright, yeah.
We did the other side, got it all cross-membered in. That air compressor, it pulls that nail gun, but it ain't a big fan of it. It has to kick on a lot, but it does a good job pulling it. Boy, that's a hard cut. And it's so wet that it can't blow the sawdust out of it. We're having to constantly wait on that DeWalt compressor. Man, it ain't liking that Bostage nail gun doing this decking because we're doing it so fast and we're constantly having to wait on the DeWalt compressor. I bought this a few days ago, the framing nailer, but I didn't pay attention that it shoots 30-degree nails. The Bostage shoots 28-degree nails, and so don't have no nails for it. I was thinking they'd all work. And I don't want to quit to go get nails for it, so we're just trying to get this deck done because it's a pretty day. The DeWalt compressor's gone through 2 of these 9 amp hours, and I just now put in a 6 amp hour battery, putting this decking on right here. So that big Bostage nail gun is putting the workout on that. He's crazy, man. He's a nut. It's putting a workout on that compressor. I mean, it's doing it. We're having to wait on it a little bit, but it's eating the batteries. It will drive 8 nails before it kicks on. I'm not knocking the compressor in any way. It's not really designed for this big nail gun. It's designed for the smaller ones. I love the compressor. We use it all the time. It's light, convenient to carry with you. I have nothing bad to say about it. Could have a bigger tank on it. if it had another gallon or two tank, I'm sure there's a reason they didn't do that. And I think some of it is that he and I are just such fast workers that, I mean, we're probably, there's probably not another 2 contractors that can work as fast as we can. Probably normal contractors, they'd probably keep up with them. I mean, we're just
undeniable.
Oh, we're fast. We're magnificent. That's what he likes to call himself. All right, I called my beautiful wife. She went and got us some nails for the DeWalt nail gun. This will be the first nails this thing has drove. Hit it, buddy. Yes, sir. It's a little different getting used to, isn't it? The ramping up of it.
Got like kickback.
Got a lot of kickback. This right here, that's plastic. The guard, the pusher down here that pushes on the nails, plastic, and it's already kind of bent up over these nails right here a while ago. That right there, that's cheap, 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 cheap. That right there, that ought to be metal. That's ridiculous. Right there. Man, you have to be easy with that right there. That right there will break. And plastic in there, pitiful. Boy, the wood's wet. We got our steps cut out right there, as you see, and we're putting everything up. I think it's been a DeWalt kind of day. I hope my Milwaukee stuff don't feel left out. But we're blowing everything off, cleaning up. So guys, we'll see you later. We may work tomorrow, Thanksgiving, so if we do, we'll probably shoot a video. I hope y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving. Jason, you want to tell them bye?
Bye, YouTube.
And Jason says have a happy Thanksgiving too, surely, don't you?
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
And guys, we'll see you again. Thanks a lot for watching.